What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Midlife Vibes. We are back here in Vegas, baby. And we are staying here at the Plaza Hotel right there. Before we show you around the plaza, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Let's go check out the plaza.
Let's go.
One thing that's really nice about the Plaza Hotel, this is Fremont Street. And right across the street, Plaza Hotel. This is one of the older hotels in Vegas. I've always wanted to stay here, but I never have. And I've always wanted to stay here because this is the hotel that was in Back to the Future 2. Had a little bit of a different look up there, but it is a classic. Let's go see what kind of food offerings they have inside the hotel.
Okay.
Because I'm pretty sure there's a few. I know right above all these sparkly lights right there is Oscar's Steakhouse. It's actually above us, but in the round circle thing, they have a steakhouse up there. We're not eating there because it's a little too expensive, but we're gonna go to Hash a Go Go. That's where we're gonna be eating our breakfast slash lunch because it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We did have a little bit of fun last night, so we got up a little bit late. So when you come in, the registration is right here at the front door. The only issue is the parking lot's way on the other side over there. When you come in, the registration is right here. They had a great little coffee bar here that I got up in the late morning. So you bring Becky some coffee here. You can get some coffee, Danishes, iced hot, whatever you like is right there. And then they also have a food court right down the way here. So as you make your way down the food court, they do have a McDonald's. You know me, I love my McDonald's. And they have a Ma Chu Wok, which looks like it's Chinese food right here. So they got Chinese food, they got McDonald's, they got a fresh Mexican grill, a Subway, and of course a gift shop. Every casino has to have a gift shop, babe. No, you should not go into the gift shop. Oh, why did I show her the gift shop? She's gonna come look. So I think I got off, well, I thought I got off pretty cheap. Becky wanted to get some Sudafed, so I got some $12.99 Sudafed. No souvenirs for us, just Sudafed. Because something with the Las Vegas air and Becky does not agree. I don't know what it is.
The last time we came to Vegas, I had to get Sudafed as well for sinus headache, but I like this little setup. It's everything you need, just enough, not too much.
What I like is it's not gigantic. Some of the bigger casinos are just so huge, and so it's like a mission to get anywhere. Here, you come straight down the elevator, you got your food court on the left, the casino on the right. It's a great setup.
That's the thing that I loved about it, is that we walked in, we're like, okay, here's food, here's Hash a Go Go, which we wanted to do, and it's all in our little immediate environment.
So we're gonna take a walk through the casino and see what's on the other side of the casino. So the great thing is, the casino's right on the other side here. Very easy to walk through, not too huge. A lot of good classic games, but it's not a huge casino, but it is, it's enough for me. They got enough slot machines, they got some table games. One thing I do like about coming down to Old Town Vegas, downtown Vegas, is sometimes the limits are a little bit lower than what the strip limits are. So even though we were playing on a $15 table last night, I like to play on usually like a $5 or maybe a $10, but that's okay. But yeah, just the other thing too is when you park here, you have to walk through the casino to get the registration because the parking structure is on the opposite side. And then all the way on the other side of the casino, they have pop-up pizza, which looks like a delicious pizza place. I mean, at least in the pictures that I've seen, it looks like a delicious place. So, okay, you go look. And then we'll come back and try it for dinner tonight.
We're not eating right now, but we're going to see it. Oh, they have fried chicken.
Yeah, it looks good. I like that.
We are on a mission. We're trying to figure out how to get to the pool.
We're not going to go swimming, but we just want to see it.
Yeah, we want to see it.
But we went to the South Tower elevators, and there's no second floor. And they said the pool's on the second floor, so we're going to go ask somebody.
Somewhere else.
Yeah, we're good. We'll figure it out sooner or later, but there's no sign. There's no sign that say pool anywhere.
No, maybe they don't want strange people just going up.
But we're not strange, are we? All right, we have made it to the pool area.
This is the first time we've ever come to the pool area.
Yeah, we've never come to the pool area at a hotel, but it's on the 5th floor. We thought it was on the 2nd floor. We got lost. If we were just listening, we would know it was on the 5th floor. So it's not a really huge pool area, but there is something cool about this pool area. Look, they have these private cabana areas here. Private pool suite, guest access only. Yeah, so if you can get a room with a pool suite right here. Pretty awesome. They got a nice jacuzzi, food place. Oh, they got a little bar out here, a little taco truck. But I like, look at the plaza. Look at the side of the plaza right there. There's Circa, and then there's the side of the plaza. Oh, that is nice. It's got a nice vibe here. It's jamming.
I like it. Look, they have cabanas too.
Yeah, you can rent out a cabana if you like. But definitely this pool is cranking. It's not a huge pool, but it definitely has a lot of people in it. It's from the pool deck too. You can see down in Fremont Street. You can actually probably watch the light show in there, or the screen show, whatever it is, down on the Fremont Street Experience. But it is a large area, and it is hot, and we're standing on cement, so the music's blaring. But they do have tennis courts. I don't know why you'd want to play tennis in 100-degree weather, but it's a cute little pool area for, you know, for being such an older hotel and stuff. Has a really nice vibe to it. I thought it might be a little boring, but no, it looks like it's a happening little pool area.
No, it is. It's a nice vibe, and you know, it looks cute.
All right, let's get out of the heat. Let's go show them the room. And we got this cool little Instagram spot. Studio 71 takes you back to the 70s, I guess. 1971. Hey, go stand next to that. Oh, look at that.
My clothes don't match.
Is that your 70s outfit? Oh my God, they got this cool disco ball set up right here. I am liking it, but I am liking this wall right here. Look at all these roller skates, you guys. I used to like going to the skating rink. I wasn't very good at it. I bet Becky was better at skating.
I could still skate backwards.
Yeah? Okay, I could never skate backwards. I think I did it like once and I fell on my behind.
It's so cool. We need to
But,
get
yeah.
clothes next time, dressed and come take.
Becky wants to come and you want me to be in bell bottoms?
Yeah, we need to take this one and stand up there.
Be all discoed out like woo! Crazy. Oh no, babe. And then they got this cool neon old school Vegas wall with some major dice action and this really trippy mirrored area. A lot of Instagram spots. We're gonna throw up a bunch of pictures on our Instagram because I think we need to take some.
So welcome to our room here at
The Plaza
the Plaza
Hotel and Casino.
Hotel and Casino.
You are not one for a lot of informational stuff.
Welcome. I really like this room. I like the size of the room. It's really big and it doesn't feel claustrophobic. It's just a nice size. Now it's not the most updated room, but it definitely does not feel dated. What I really like about this hotel is that it smells clean. It doesn't smell bad.
Yeah, it doesn't have that smell of pot.
Yeah,
marijuana.
a lot of the hotels we've noticed have a lot of the marijuana smell. This one does not. It smells so much better than the Link, the hallways and the actual room. We got the 2 queen size beds, which I really like. I like that it has the nightstand that has a little pull out drawer, and I like the bottom part open there because I usually put shoes there. We have, you know, everything you need. We got your basic.
It does come with a small TV, an older 32-inch TV versus a lot of the newer hotels have these big 50-inch TVs or 47 or something like that.
Yeah, but we're not really not going to be in the room.
That's okay.
Now the cool thing is that it does come with the refrigerator that I can't open.
There's a refrigerator in there for our beverages.
So we really like that. I like that it has a desk.
I do like the quarter desk because I can put all my junk over here. You can put some stuff up here.
You could do your makeup there.
Yeah.
Sit down and do your makeup comfortably.
And babe, guess what?
What?
One of the things I actually, it's so small, but made me so happy.
The plug?
No. Was that they give you 2 complimentary little mini bottles of water, where most hotels, you're gonna have to be paying for that stuff.
Yeah, I do like that they have one chair. Now the chair is a little dated, but
so this is where you can tell some of the older hotels that haven't been refurbished in a long time. Now, the Plaza does have, I think they're called the Lure
You can
rooms.
upgrade.
You can upgrade to their newly renovated rooms. I don't know how new, I mean, it's maybe been less than a year, but you can upgrade to these rooms. They cost like about $35 more a night. And so they're a little bit fresher as far as everything, you know, the carpet's probably better, not as old, I should say. And then this chair here, you can see, I mean, you can see it has its wear and tear on it there. But, you know, I expect...
But it's clean.
It's clean, it's just old. But I expect that from an old, I mean, this is the Plaza. This hotel's been around forever.
We're in the older part on Fremont Street, downtown Las Vegas. I have caught Josh sitting in this chair multiple times, so that's good.
He'll probably fall asleep in that
Yes.
chair.
I like that the restroom is away from the front door.
So, yeah, usually you'll see in hotels the restroom be over by the door. This is in this little corner right here. Now, I like the restroom. I do have one complaint about the restroom. So first, let's show you the restroom here. You don't have a closet in this room, but you do have a little closet space where you're able to hang some stuff, put your luggage underneath there. They do have an in-room safe. For some reason, I don't know why, I love sinks that come off the top of the counter like this one here. It's very nice. So you can tell the sink is newer than that chair that we just showed you.
What I like is this under space because I always like to put my shoes out, and this is where I put my makeup.
Now here's my issue is the bathroom is a good size, but the bathroom where the toilet and the restroom is a very small space, which is fine for some. It's just a generic little bathroom, but I find that it's very tight in there. That's my only thing. But it is, like I said, it's an older hotel, but it does get the job done. The shower does work and the toilet works, so I'm clean and freshly cleaned out, as I could say.
The beds were comfortable. I will say the beds and the pillows were comfortable, which I'm a big pillow person, so the pillows were comfortable.
Can't say much for the view that we got.
But we didn't upgrade.
But I didn't upgrade, and I forgot to do the $20 trick. I was gonna try to do the $20 trick, and then when I got to the counter, I forgot to do it. And so then I asked her, do you have any cheap upgrades? And they said just the standard for the $35 to get the other room. But this is our view. That's the garage mahal for the new hotel Circa, which is, you can maybe see a little corner of it over there in the corner. But yeah, obviously we're not getting a view, but it's great because I can have my window open and have all the privacy.
You can stand in your chonies.
Yes, I can stand here butt naked if I need to, and nobody's gonna look. I don't have to worry, and I like the light during the daytime. I've been wanting to stay here for a long time, and I'm actually really excited that we got to stay here. And it's not, I was worried. I was really worried. Sometimes you come to these older hotels, they're just not kept up very well. And this one actually, I'm good with it. It's clean in here. You can tell the carpet's a little dated and stuff, and the chair was dated, but
I feel comfortable here.
yeah, totally. And I like that the hallways aren't so super long. Like in these big giant hotels, you have to walk forever to get to your room. Here, they got 6 elevators servicing every floor. I get out, you walk 30 feet and you're at your room. And we're at the farthest room from the elevator, and it's literally like 30 feet. It's not far at all. Maybe it's a little bit longer than 30 feet, but it's not far. There's like 4 rooms, I think. So the price for this standard room is $149 on a weekend. Now, the cool thing is, if you're a AAA member, which we're a AAA member, they offer a AAA discount. They give you 15% off on weekends and 20% off on weekdays. So I was able to get this room for $124.99 a night, plus resort fees. So, you know, obviously you gotta have to pay resort fees everywhere you go. But the cool thing is, your resort fees include parking. So
yes,
we're not paying for parking here. Some of these hotels now, you have to pay for parking, like Circa, you gotta pay for parking, no matter what. And they charge you a resort fee. Mm-hmm. So here, parking's included, which I do like.
Yes.
So I know 2-night stay, $313, that's with tax and everything. That was the best price I could find at Fremont Street. And I'm glad it was here because this place is great. One more thing too is, I love that it's at the end of Fremont Street. So as you're going out and partying on Fremont Street and drinking, you can't get lost. You just know you gotta go to the end. That's it.
And you cross the street. You cross the street and there you are. I do like that it's not directly on Fremont Street.
Yeah.
And I do like that everything's super accessible. You're just a walk away from the restaurants and the light, nightlife.
The hotel has a great setup, so I do recommend coming to the Plaza. Upgrade to the Lux room. I think I don't know. They have newly renovated rooms. Upgrade to those rooms if you want a little bit more of a modern look. But other than that, the Plaza has definitely been great. We went and ate at Hash House A Go-Go for breakfast.
Yes.
Well, lunch, because we stayed out late last night. And that was great. The service was great. So you guys, we're going to get back out to Fremont Street and start our party because we like, guys, we really like coming here to Fremont Street better than the Strip because we like the party here.
We're looking and we like the environment. We like the music and the
bands.
And
oh man, it's so
people
great.
watching and so.
Yeah. So with that, definitely recommend the Plaza. Let us know in the comments down below if you stayed here before. What was your experience like? Was it bad? Was it good? You know, because who knows? You never know. Everyone has different experience at the hotels.
Yeah.
But let us know. But definitely on my list, I would stay here again
and we've
for
had
sure.
such good service from everybody here.
Everybody's
Everybody's been
super
really
nice.
nice.
Super nice. And I won money. She lost. I won. But that's good. All right, guys. We'll catch you next time.